Phoenix fast tracks US visas for Indian entrepreneurs. Phoenix Business Advisory is making waves in the business migration space by securing L1A visas for Indian entrepreneurs in record time, one as fast as 25 days. Backed by a no approval, no fee policy, and led by CEO MP Singh. The firm offers end-to-end support, including legal guidance, documentation, and interview preparation. With multiple success stories from Gujarat and across India, Phoenix is empowering business owners to expand to the US legally and confidently. Report Bilkul Online.
नमस्कार सबको, मेरा नाम एमपी सिंह है। आई एम फाउंडर एंड सीईओ फिनिक्स बिजनेस एडवाइजरी। मेरा मैसेज सारे इंडिया के बिजनेस ओनर्स को है कि अगर आपका इंडिया में एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस है, आप 2-3 साल से बिजनेस इंडिया में कर रहे हो, आपके पास 5 से 7 एम्प्लॉयज फुल टाइम काम कर रहे हैं, आपकी टर्नओवर 2.5 करोड़ से अबव है और आप 2 से 2.5 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट रखने की कैपेसिटी में हो, तो यूएस आपको बुला रहा है। यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर बिजनेस माइग्रेशन टू यूएस, जिसमें आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका वीजा आने के बाद होगी। मतलब जब आपकी फैमिली पूरी यूएस सेटल हो जाती है, आप पहुंच जाते हो, वीजा आ जाता है, उसके बाद आपने पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है। पैसा आपके ही अकाउंट इंडिया में से आप ही के अकाउंट में जाएगा यूएस में। वो पैसा आपको अपने ही बिजनेस में यूएस में इन्वेस्ट करना है। 1 से 1.5 साल बाद आपके ग्रीन कार्ड के लिए एलिजिबल हो जाते हो और आप अपना ग्रीन कार्ड इससे प्राप्त कर सकते हो। हमारी फीस इज fully refundable. अगर आपका अप्रूवल नहीं आता तो there is no fees that we charge from you or we refund it back. Recently बहुत सारे अप्रूवल्स आए हैं। जो लेटेस्ट अप्रूवल हमारा आया है वो दीपक पटेल जी का आया है, मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं। जस्ट 25 दिन में उनका यूएसए का L1 वीजा अप्रूव होके आ गया, वो अभी पहुंच भी चुके हैं। बहुत एक 36 डेज है, कोई 41 डेज है, कोई 52 डेज है। बहुत सारी अलग अलग जगहों से ये अप्रूवल्स आ रहे हैं। वी वांटेड टू शेयर दिस मैसेज कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं इंडियन बिजनेस ओनर्स जो इस चीज को जानते तक नहीं है कि बैठे बैठे आपके पास यूएस का बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन मॉड्यूल आ चुका है। आप इसके थ्रू अपनी फैमिली को वहां मूव कर सकते हो, अपना बिजनेस मूव कर सकते हो। एंड व्हेन ट्रांसफर्स आर डन, मान लो आप अपनी इंडिया की कंपनी में से यूएस की ही अपनी कंपनी में पैसा ट्रांसफर करते हो, तो इससे आपका टीसीएस भी नहीं आता। सो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट योर L1s और बिजनेस माइग्रेशन टू यूएस, प्लीज हम लोगों को कॉल कीजिए। हमारी फीस अगेन फुली रिफंडेबल है। अगर हम आपको अप्रूवल नहीं ला के देंगे तो आपसे कोई पैसा चार्ज नहीं होगा। यही हमारी स्पेशलिटी है, सिर्फ बिजनेस माइग्रेशन, और हम लोग इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करते और शायद कुछ ना ही कभी करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
So hi, I'm Deepika and I'm working as an assistant director with Phoenix Business Advisory since last 7 years. And Phoenix is the company which is helping to make realize the dreams of all the Indian business owners who are willing to expand their business in America. And most of the people even do not know that they can even go on a visa which can grab their green card also by expanding their business in America. So there are little small business owners who are sitting there maybe in Mehsana, maybe in any part of Gujarat, any part of Punjab, any part of India, who are doing a business in which the turnover is around 3 crores and they are having the employee size of 4 to 5 people working under them. They can easily expand their business in US and get a green card for themselves along with their families.
Right. So what is the profile of the people who are applying through you?
So the profile of the people is like they are business owners who are running a established business since last 2 to 3 years in India, and they are filing the audit report of 3 crores and they are having the employee size of minimum 4 to 5 people working under their company. They can easily expand their business. Maybe we are getting file every day from the business owners, like maybe they are into real estate, Builders Association, Textile Association, and from like all the markets we are catering, maybe from marble background, from a steel background, from hearing aids background. So there are different clients. Mostly we are dealing around 40 to 50% market is covered from Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Yeah.
And how much time does it usually take?
So the recent visa which we have just got that visa in 25 days.
Oh.
So it was a record breaking time. Even if you go and apply for a visitor visa, there is 500 days of waiting time.
Sure.
But we have got a record breaking visa, L1A visa in 25 days, which is leading to a green card.
Mm-hmm.
And the person, Mr. Deepak Patel, is already there in US and started his business.
What is he into?
He is into tours and travel business.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm sure he'll take more and more people.
Yes,
through his own
definitely,
business.
definitely. And
Right.
he has he got a visa on 25th day and 27th day he was there in US.
True. And you speak of once they get the visa, they are entitled to take family along,
Family,
right?
correct.
So it has to be dependent children.
Dependent, immediate family only, wife, the spouse and the kids can go who are below 21 years of age.
Okay.
And wife can even start a business, or maybe if she wants to work, she can work also. Kids can, if they are in a school, they can study.
Right. So this year's plan, how are the things turning this year?
So this year, there was a mindset that after Trump has come, that rules will change. There will be effect on different kind of visas because EB5 was also closed. So everyone was in a situation that maybe we will feel कि there are इतना सारा files नहीं हो रहा है. But it was like we have got very good result after that. Even we have got 4 to 5 visa approvals after Trump has come, and this 25 days visa, which was the record breaking one for us, that also we have got recently last month only.
Fantastic. So wishing you all the best for
Thank
this
you so
year's
much.
business.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
It
you.
was a pleasure you are here.
So was it for us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tanuj. I'm working in Phoenix from last 6 years. My designation is Assistant Director in Sales. I'm helping Indian businessmen to grow in Australia and in US. We help Indian businessmen to establish their business in US and grab the green card. Through this, they will help their current business to grow, and they will open a new branch in US. So more or less, we are helping Indian community to grow in US.
How do you invite them to your office?
So there are two options to go to US. So there is one option which is L1, which help Indian businessmen to expand their business and family to settle in US, and it's very short, small amount of investment of 2.5 CR, and that is also into business. Second is EB5, which is currently, I guess, shut down due to Trump. That was just because that was just for green card purpose. Now it has been Trump invitation of golden visa, that is 50 CR of investment. I don't think so any Indian man is looking for that. Everyone is looking for a business expansion nowadays. So we in Phoenix, we help Indian businessmen to grow and multiply their money in US.
Thank you.